everybody. Oh, sorry. You know why I said sorry? You know, and everybody knows. During this pandemic, we need to wear face masks, use hand sanitizers, use hand washers or soaps to wash our hands. That's why I forgot to remove my mask before talking. Now, with these clues, can you identify the topic that I'm going to talk about? I'm going to talk about the health promotions in general to prevent COVID-19. Now, in my talk, these are the topics that I'm going to include. What's this coronavirus? How coronavirus spreads? Symptoms of COVID-19, preventions to prevent COVID-19, and some of the questions you all might have about the prevention of COVID-19. First, what's this coronavirus? In December 2019, there was a cluster of pneumonia cases in the city of Wuhan, China. Some of the early cases had reported visiting and working in seafood and live market in Wuhan. Investigations found that the disease was coronavirus. It spread within China and to the rest of the world. Next, how does COVID-19 spread? The virus is spread in the droplet. So when an infected person coughs or sneezes, they produce droplet of virus out into the air. These droplets land and commonly spread by other people easily by breathing. These infected droplets land on the surface, so when a healthy person touches that surface, that person also gets affected when he touches his eyes, nose and mouth. Next, what are the symptoms of COVID-19? Symptoms of COVID-19 are variable but often include fever, cough, fatigue, breathing difficulties and loss of smell and taste. Next, what are the common prevention methods that we can take to prevent COVID-19? First one, you all should wear protective gowns, gloves and facial protection while handling animals and animal products. Frequently wash your hands with soap and water and use sanitizer. Disinfect equipment and working area at least once a day. Throw tissue into clothes bin immediately after use. Remove protective clothing after work. Wash daily and leave at the work site. Next, how to protect others from getting sick. When coughing and sneezing, cover mouth and nose with flexed elbow or tissue. Avoid exposing family members to soiled work clothing and shoes. Avoid close contact when you are experiencing cough and fever. Avoid spitting in public. If you have fever, cough and difficulty breathing, seek medical care early and share previous travel history with your healthcare provider. Next, how to protect ourselves from getting sick. Avoid unprotected contact with sick people, including touching one's eyes, nose and mouth and with live farm or wild animals. We should frequently wash our hands and use sanitizer. We should avoid using others' products. Next, now I give a full information about the definition of COVID-19, the spreading of COVID-19, the symptoms of COVID-19 and the prevention methods to protect ourselves during this pandemic. Now everybody, you all might have some questions about the prevention methods of COVID-19. And some of you all know and are very familiar about the people who are spreading rumors about COVID-19. For an example, they might say, if you did this, if you eat this, if you drink this, you won't get COVID-19 and sometimes you might get COVID-19. Then we'll have a question in our mind. Are these information true or false? Then we don't know whether it's really true or false. That's why I have taken some questions with a set of answers that will provide a clear information about the prevention of COVID-19. The first question, can cold weather and snow prevent the new coronavirus? There is no reason to believe that cold weather can kill the new coronavirus or other diseases. The normal human body temperature remains around 3.65 degrees Celsius and 37 degrees Celsius, regardless of the external temperature or the weather. The most effective way to protect yourself against the coronavirus is by frequently cleaning your hands with alcohol-based hand rub or washing them with soap and water. The fact is, cold weather and snow cannot kill the new coronavirus. The next question, can the COVID-19 be transmitted in areas with hot and humid climate? The COVID-19 virus can be transmitted in any climate, including areas with hot and humid climate. The best way to protect yourself against COVID-19 is by maintaining physical distance of at least 1 meter from others and frequently cleaning your hands. By doing this, you eliminate viruses that may be on your hands and avoid infection that could occur by then touching your eyes, mouth and nose. The fact is, COVID-19 can be transmitted in areas with hot and humid climates. The next question. Can we get COVID-19 in sunny and hot weather? You can catch COVID-19 no matter how sunny or hot the weather is. Countries with hot weather have reported cases of COVID-19. To protect yourself, make sure you clean your hands frequently and thoroughly and avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth. The fact is, exposing yourself to the sun or to temperatures higher than 25 degrees Celsius not prevent nor cure COVID-19. The last question is COVID-19 transmitted through houseflies? Today, there is no evidence or information to suggest that the COVID-19 virus is transmitted through houseflies. The virus that causes COVID-19 spreads through droplets generated when an infected person coughs, sneezes or speaks. You can also become infected by touching a contaminated surface and then touching your nose or mouth before washing your hands. To protect yourself, keep at least 1 meter distance from others and disinfect frequently touched surfaces. Clean your hands thoroughly and often and avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. The fact is, COVID-19 is not spread through houseflies. Now I am going to talk about some of the advices given by the World Health Organization. Be safe from coronavirus. If you are 60 plus or if you have an underlying condition like cardiovascular disease, respiratory problems and diabetes, avoid crowded areas or places where you might interact with people who are sick. Let's get ready. Be smart and inform yourself about coronavirus. Be ready for coronavirus. Be safe from coronavirus infection. Be smart and inform yourself about it. Be kind and support one another. Go away, COVID. Thank you.